Hey everybody, Jerry Davis, Matt Kirkland.
Hey everybody.
Yeah, coming to you today from University Tire, our brand new facility, Mitchell Bridge Road here. What are we doing today, Matt?
We're going to show you how to hopefully properly, change your spare tire in an accident, or
It'll be properly if Matt's involved. I promise you that. I promise you that. He never messes up.
Do you know where to find the spare tire stuff?
let's start by checking in the back of the vehicle. That would be the first place that I would check. Now, most of the time, people are going to load the back down with all kinds of junk.
Because you're on vacation.
In this instance, we've got to clean back in. Everybody likes to clean back in, don't they, Jerry?
From my experience, yes sir, Matt. That's an excellent observation.
So, we've got a bunch of options to go in here. We know exactly where this is in this truck, so we're going to go straight to it over here. We're going to need in this, we're going to need a jack. We're going to start by taking this out. So the first thing you want to do while you've got everybody blowing past you on 85 and 100 miles an hour, you're going to want to properly chalk the vehicle so that it doesn't get away from you when you go to jack it up. Everybody always asks what are these cool little L brackets here for? Well, this is to properly chalk your vehicle so that when you raise it and you forgot to put the emergency brake on or put it in park, it doesn't roll down the hill on you. We're going to start by chalking it in the front. We're going to chalk it on the other side so it doesn't, just in case. Now we got her properly locked in.
This is obviously your lug wrench. This is obviously your jack here. And then you have all these extensions. And what do we have these extensions for? Because guess what? We're going to take a tire off that's flat, but we're going to need to put a tire on that has air in it. Where is that tire? Where's that tire, Matt?
It is under the back, hopefully. In this instance, we have a lock we're going to have to remove. So I'll grab the keys, have a look here.
In this instance, this isn't in all cases, but you see there's a little cylinder there, and you're going to put your ignition key in there, and it's going to give you access to your spare tire takedown. Now you'll notice you got different tips again on here. Do different things. What you'll do here, you got a little presser there. You'll combine that. Make your extension longer. You should be able to stick this in, usually is what you need. Right through there, and it'll feed straight back, and you can kind of twist with your hands and feel like you got it locked. Then, you're gonna take your crowbar here, slide it on, turn it counterclockwise, and that should release the tire. As you can see it rolling down here.
That is a special locking design that is a booger to get undone on the side of the road. All right, once we got it locked and we got it just a hair raised, the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here, and this one has actual caps that cover the lug nuts. You're going to want to remove those caps so that we can get to the lug nuts.
You just lift, remember your tire's flat, so you're gonna have to go a little bit higher than what it takes to get this one off, because you got a fully aired tire that needs to go back on. This is a good start right here. I think we're gonna go.
Now we got it up there. We will run these up. valve stem is not pointing out on the wheel, you have it on wrong. Remember, valve stem point out. And then we'll drop it and we'll finish the torque.
I'm going down this time, just until that tire catches enough where when I turn those lug nuts, or rather Matt turns those lug nuts, it won't spin the tire. So not all the way down just yet.
You'll continue to go in a star pattern as tight as you can get it to go. And then that's it. Once you double check yourself, you're good. At this point, the tire's on, the tire's tight, and there's air in it. We can now put everything back in the vehicle to get us to where we need to go. And I will go ahead and finish lowering the vehicle.
Here we go. Hopefully it won't be on the side 85, it'll be in the comfort of your own driveway
Now,
when you realize you have a flat.
just because it did not go underneath the vehicle does not mean you get to leave Mr. Dangly down there hanging down. Very important you put that back up. And this is another important piece that we see a lot is people like to over tighten these things. So there is a stopping point, and that's what that spring is for. When that spring gets there, it's going to come to a stop.
About a little bit of tension, huh,
And
man?
a little bit of tension, and then you're going to just say, whoa, that's it right there.
Whoa, Nelly.
And that's it. That's all she needs. Also, don't leave this on the side of the road or you won't be going nowhere. Put that right
You
back
need
in
your
there.
key?
Right back out of there. And we'll collect our wheel chocks. Hopefully you remembered that your vehicle was still in park before you pulled those wheel chocks out. And parking brake on. Always remember to put the parking brake on. Got everything back in here, nice and neat. Gonna need those keys.
Ready to go back to Florida, Matt?
Let's get it going.
Let's go. Let's go.
Jerry,
Huh?
I'm gonna check my phone and see where I can find the closest place.
That's a good idea.
It says University Tire right around the block.
Hot dog.
That's where we're going.
Don't forget, we'll come to you too.
If this has left you with a bad day, just remember, there's always a better day.